Hello guys, it's a brand new day with another great opportunities. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to flip your $10 to $100, $10 to $10,000, $10 to $5,000. Yes, it's possible. You can see people flipping their low account balance into their high account balance. Yes, it's possible. There is just some keywords or some things you just need to consider in order to flip your account. Without wasting my time, let's get started. Alright. So first visit your website called Website Calculator. My FSB calculator. I don't know what's happening here. Alright, so here is the website. My FSB calculator. Here is the website. So right now, let's say we want to raise like $20 or let's say $20 on our trade. There's a trade here, which is here. Let me check. Oh shit. Okay, I should just open it. So trading. Alright. Yes. So this is our chart right now. Alright. So let's say we want to raise like there's a trade here. And we want to raise like $20. In order to check your pips, these are the pips. So always the every number you see, you know the last digit from it, the last two digits from it, then the first two will actual pips. So that right now we have our take profit with 36 pips, right? And we have our take our loss stop loss with 9 pips. Alright. So we see the website back. We see the website back, and then our pair is what? Gold pair. So you select your pair. This is our gold. You select the currency we want. We select the account size. Our account size is $20. So we just enter $20. Right now we want to flip $20 to $10,000, $20 to $5,000. So we are risking. We know the amount we want to risk. So we are risking 100%. 100%. No, don't fund your account more than $20. Your account will blow because we have made our money. We are flipping $20 to $100 or $10. So if in case the market go into our opposite direction, we know we are losing. We are just losing $20. Right? So no question. All right. So stop loss was like nine pips. We just enter. Our trade size should be as much as low. That is 0.0. Yes, 0.0. That is advisable. So don't increase it or don't increase it. Don't. I won't even at all, but don't increase it. So after entering those details, we just calculate. All right. So we have our amount, the money which is $20, and the unit which is 222. All right, and then our size which is 0.22. Okay. So 0.22. That means we can. Enter about 5 positions. Yes, you can enter about 5 positions or maybe 6 positions. Yes, that is all. You can enter about 5 positions or 6 positions. Don't enter more than 10 positions or no. You blow account with just simple. Advisable one. 5 positions is okay. With 0.01 is okay. Just okay. Right. Thanks for watching this video. I'll put more light on it. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you.